Hey there, fight fans, here with Zachary Ochoa, who will be fighting tomorrow night here at the Velasco Theater in Los Angeles. Zachary, welcome to LA. I know it's your second time here in LA. You last fought at the Herrera Lundy fight, but now you're going to be making your debut here at the Velasco Theater. How excited are you to be doing your debut there and to also debut on Estrella TV?
I mean, it's going to be a great experience for me. You know, we've been working hard, me and my team, Kelly Richardson, Anthony Gerasi, and Ariel Alvarado. We've been working hard in the gym every day, you know, to take the experience that we learned in the gym and bring it into the ring. But for me to fight in LA again, and this time at the Velasco Theater on Estrella TV, then it's an amazing feeling, you know.
And for fight fans, to learn a little bit more about you, what would you say, what are your strengths that you know that you always use on your opponent?
I mean, I can box well. You know, I have a very good punch. I'm very smart. That's what I think I am in the ring. Very smart, smarter than my opponent. I like to control the pace at my pace, and I do the things that I do outside the ring also help me because I keep my body healthy as well.
And you're from Brooklyn and New York, Puerto Rican descent. How good is it to be able to represent your country of Puerto Rico here throughout the United States?
It feels great, you know, because I'm very involved with the Puerto Rican culture. You know, I've been working on my Spanish lately because I want to perfect that, you know, to be respectful to my ancestors and everybody. But, you know, I love the Puerto Rican food. I love my Puerto Rican people. And, you know, I'm going to do it for them.
Awesome. And also, you're also part of a very great family here at the boxing with Golden Boy Promotions. How good have they been with you, and how have they helped you out?
I mean, Golden Boy, when they signed me, you know, it was one of the best moments of my life, you know, because all the hard work I put into, you know, I finally got signed by the best promotional company in the world. And it's great to have that backing behind you, you know, because I know all I have to do is work hard, stay focused, win my fights, and they'll get me to where I need to be, and that's becoming a superstar in the sport.
All right, well, Zachary, thank you so much, and good luck tomorrow night here at the Velasco Theater. Thank you.